Where's he at, man? Where's he at?
On the very back door.
I'll go.
He's inside. I think he got a knife.
Hey, man.
That's what of each other. Who's going to Charlie 335? Echo 340.
Who else is here, man?
That's,
Who else is here?
my wife and my daughter are over here.
Here, everybody step out. Get your
Okay.
family out.
Hey,
So he's back here?
no, on the very last one. Right there, on the last one.
Is there another way back here?
No,
Where's your kids?
it's right there. But let me tell you something. Somebody else can go to the other side.
Is there another door?
Yes.
Oh, let's step on through here.
Where's your family?
Echo 351. We're right by
You want me to
Go
stay
get your
over there?
wife and kids and take them outside for us, please. Thank you.
Amor, soy yo. Soy yo.
4656 St. Francis, apartment 14. The 7-foot ex-boyfriend, Hispanic male, no clothing description. Trying to get inside of apartment.
You can hear him in there.
Hey, he's held up in here. We're just trying to get the family out. He might
You wanna
have a
help?
knife.
You wanna help make sure their family's okay? Get them out.
Call 915.
Policía.
Bravo 915.
I want them out before we start trying to call them out.
Enola Gay related. Clear my body.
Charlie 335. We're trying to get the people out of the house. Looks like the guy's locked in a back room, possibly has a knife.
Alright, they're getting out.
Niñas, vámonos. Ténganse, vámonos. Vámonos.
Sáquenlos.
Lo que tengas, Carla, vámonos. Carla. Carla.
Move.
Carla.
Leave the door unlocked. Leave the door unlocked.
Okay.
The Dallas police. Drop any weapons you have and step out slowly.
You might be in the back.
So
He's going through
go back.
the back. Charlie 335. Sounds like he might be going into the backyard of this residence.
Dallas police.
Before, ma'am.
Drop any weapons you have. Come out slowly.
Do we got additional cover coming out?
The cover's already there, ma'am.
Police.
Another element in round also.
That's the Dallas police.
Police, come on out!
Y'all let me go hands on y'all.
I'm trying to see if they'll come out.
Come on, sir. Walk on out to us slowly.
Crack the door so you can see that we're actually police officers.
Get the back. Y'all two get the back.
Charlie 335, assign a supervisor to this as well.
They say he probably has a knife.
Charlie 335 call at 9423 Jill Lane.
We've got the family cleared out of the house. We're holding tight on this door.
You got one of your cards? Yeah, right.
4.
The rifle, but yeah.
One man.
Right here.
This way you go get your rifle.
Right here.
Police!
The Dallas police, sir.
Hey man, it's Officer Ryan of the Dallas Police Department, man. Huh? How about I slide my business card down there, bro? Does that work? Huh? I'll give you my business card. I'll slide it underneath the door.
Can you get a supervisor for Charlie 335?
Does that work?
23 Jill Lane.
Look, man,
Echo 320, I'll go.
I'll give you my police.
Top of the Evox.
Get DFR on standby, ma'am.
Hey, man, what can I do to prove to you that I'm an officer? What can I do? Huh? Well, I need you to come out with your hands up, boss.
All right.
There's 3 of us here. 2 males and 1 female. Does that work? Huh?
356, update our call location, 1900 Combs.
Come on out slowly, man. You all right?
Right here.
Right here, look at us, look at us.
Right here, man.
Come on. You all right, man?
Come out real slowly for us, alright?
You're going to crawl slowly for us, okay?
Keep our cover. I'll go hands.
We'll try to get him
Hey, man.
closer out here.
Hey, we got the gate open.
He's right here.
Hold the back.
Don't.
Come on, man. We want to get you some help. I gotta get you an ambulance. So crawl out slowly to me. Crawl on out, man.
We're right here. We're getting an ambulance for you. If you rush in there, I won't have anything on you, so let him come to us.
Yeah, y'all let's gonna be point. I'll go behind them and get third. Since you got Leslie. Where you gonna send this to Leslie?
We can get him out to right here.
South Police Department, you see us?
Hey, crawl on out to us. Crawl on out, man.
Do you see us?
There you go.
Look. See our lights? See our lights?
There you go.
You're
Come
okay,
on
man.
out.
Come on, keep coming.
Slowly, man. You don't got no weapons?
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
There you go.
Roll over for me on your stomach.
Roll
Roll
over,
over on your
man.
stomach.
Come this way a little bit, man.
Roll over on your stomach.
Don't let him get anything in his
Hey,
stomach.
Go.
Roll over, man.
Somebody back.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Somebody back.
Okay,
Okay.
I got you. Roll over for
Hey,
me.
good here.
Roll over.
Hey.
I got you, buddy.
Come on.
Hey, man, let me get one of your hands, bud.
It's all right.
I can't
Got
breathe.
you. Come on.
I can't breathe.
You got it clear?
There we go.
I can't.
Waiting for someone.
I can't breathe for real.
Okay, we got you, buddy.
There you go. One in custody.
There you go.
Hey,
Garcia,
Zarate.
I can't breathe.
Zarate Garcia, take him outside. Take him outside.
Give him.
Hey, hey,
I'm
hey.
just trying to.
Hey,
My chest.
come on. Come on. Come on. Stand.
Let me take a deep breath.
We got it.
Stand. You got it? Okay. Let me go on and get him.
Hello.
Camina. Walk. You can walk.
I'm asking you though.
You can walk.
I'm gonna
All right, let's get up.
I'm asking I heart attack.
There you go. Walk.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Hey.
Wait.
All right, walk.
Please wait.
335. Can you send the DFR in?
Hold on. Wait.
4 ma'am, I let him know.
I'm asking you. Wait.
He might be in a delirium. Notify the supervisor.
Wait right here. Wait.
Wait, just let him.
Roll him. Roll for me, man.
All right, breathe.
Breathe.
All right, we'll worry about the money later.
Yeah, let's back
Let's get
up.
him first.
Flag
Okay.
down the ambulance
We're
for me.
gonna have to care first.
Andre.
Come on, man.
Hey.
Andre.
Hey. You're good.
Put him on the rest of
Let me sit up.
Hey, come on.
Man, let me sit up.
Calm down.
You want to try to get this realized here.
That's what I was trying to do.
Calm down.
Andre. Chill out.
Hey, your wife's here.
Chill
Relax.
out.
Let me sit up.
Put your
Sit up.
I got.
Roll over.
It's fine like that.
Let him on this.
Y'all gonna let me down.
No, because you're not on your chest. This is the resting position.
Baby.
You got pants on now.
There you go.
I guess he been on cocaine. I don't know what he was on. When I came home, he was already.
Andre,
Andre. Baby. Andre. Hey, let him sit up. He,
There you go.
Andre, now chill
Breathe
out.
for me. You need to settle down, control your breathing,
your mom
okay?
or
His wife.
your wife?
Well, he jumped through a window. So
I see. And a couple other people told me he came into their house. I didn't. Andre. Hey.
Andre, you know where you are?
this is your wife.
All right.
That's your wife. She don't want to see you like this.
You said cocaine?
Yeah.
What else?
That's it.
All right.
He been,
All right,
listen,
good.
Where
this
does
man been on coke
What's your name?
for over 20 years.
Where does he stay up
I
at?
stayed down on the other end. This man been on coke for over 20 years. So when he get on coke, he spits out like this.
Calm down. Ma'am, you have your ID or something on you that I get from you? Your information? Stay up.
Andre,
Breathe.
you need to chill.
Breathe.
Ma'am, can I get my phone so I can call his mom? It's in that bag.
His mom?
Give
I
That's
want
his
to call
phone?
his mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they're married, so.
Andre, man,
Pick it up.
you doing too much.
Hey, his knee. Don't let him because he wants to get up.
No, stay down.
Hey, we're gonna sit.
Sit.
We're gonna sit, relax.
Go, man.
Lay him on his side.
He doesn't want to
You
lay
can't help anybody right now.
Get his legs. Don't on his side. Don't get up. Calm down.
Okay.
Are you gonna calm down? Cálmate.
Hello.
Calm down.
Look, man.
Calm
All
down.
right, let me go.
Andre, man.
Nah, you gotta
You need
relax.
to chill your ass out.
Let my leg
You
go.
doing all of this.
I can't
All right.
let you let go.
You done ran through these people's window for
Ah.
what? Man, you broke the window.
Officer, let me go.
Ain't nobody gonna let you go. Only way you gonna get let go is at the hospital where your ass should have been.
You gonna calm down?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Just breathe, all right, bro?
All right, let me go.
All right, all right.
You gotta breathe.
Just breathe.
You
We're waiting
scared
for
the whole
an
Ah, let me go.
Hey,
Ah.
let you go. What? You're gonna get up?
Where's DFR?
They don't open.
Huh?
Ah. Oh. Ah. Uh-huh.
Come out.
Ah.
I know.
Relax, man, relax. It's all right, man. You're gonna go to the hospital, all right?
Can I get y'all the number y'all can call me so I can pay for y'all window?
All right, he won't get
There
up.
we go.
Ah.
Andre, you tripping, man.
Can you get your shoes?
Ah. All right.
Hold on.
Ah.
Find it.
Ah.
Is there anything?
Hold on.
I don't think he got none. He was just high.
Ah.
So 921, go ahead, sir.
Ah. Oh, no.
Hey,
Relax.
Ah.
you need to behave.
He's bleeding.
You need to behave.
Yeah, he went through the window. That's his own blood.
Andre,
An ambulance is coming, boy.
Andre, you need to chill, man. You doing all this for what?
You by yourself?
Leave. Leave.
Hey, my bro.
Yes.
You done? All right.
Ah.
Relax, man.
32278.
You gotta relax, man. You gotta wait for the paramedics to
Can I
come.
wipe the face?
Yeah.
You can hear the ambulance.
Oh, good. I told him to put him on standby, like how long ago? You with me, man?
Check on the family, see if they need an ambulance.
Hey, you with me? Andre. Andre.
Hey, bro, you wanna lay down? Where's that fucking ambulance at? You rolling?
Yeah, I already found the rays and excited delirium.
Did you run your camera?
Yeah.
Make sure.
Hey. I know,
Hey,
I know.
you're gonna stay with me, okay? You with me?
Andre. You wanna start chest compression? You want to?
Yeah.
Bravo 115, starting chest compressions. We need to be apart.
Hey, agarra el tiempo rápido. Agárralo rápido. Rápido.
You alright, Andre?
Come on, man.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Hey!
Let us do our job.
What's wrong with
Come in. You got it?
Yeah. You wanna switch?
Yeah, I'll switch.
Come in,
Take him out of
right?
handcuffs. Oh, yeah, never mind. Don't stop. I mean, D4 should be coming, guys.
Not breathing at all?
No. The pulse?
Yeah.
There's still
Keep
pulse?
them going. Yes, keep them going.
They're on the way.
You guys already?
Hey, I'm gonna get a supervisor out here.
Yeah, there should be one already en route.
You alright, man? Just keep going. We're just trying to get some air.
You good?
There you go.
Need someone else take over?
I got you. You got it?
Ready? Someone else take over. Go.
Stay with me, brother. Stay with me.
Come on, man.
What's going on, guys?
Cocaine.
Yeah.
Stay with me.
Went through the start chest compression. You're responsive.
Stay with me. Come on.
Uncuff him.
Stop.
Someone light him.
I need a light. Whose hand handcuffs are these?
My partner. Sorry.
Okay, roll them. Here, let me get this guy. Woo!
All right.
Yeah.
Stand by for changeover.
Got his feet, go.
I said on the radio.
Yeah.
I couldn't get one.
Chest compression, supervisor, everything.
I couldn't get it. I couldn't get one taken up down.